Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these peanut butter cup footballs. This is perfect for football season, so keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. It only takes a few ingredients to make this, and we just need to start off with a medium bowl. And to that, I'm going to add half a cup of creamy peanut butter. Next, we're going to add about a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, we're going to add about a cup of powdered sugar, and we're going to blend this in slowly as we mix it. Now when it's a Play-Doh-like consistency, we're gonna ball these up and form our shapes. Start off by grabbing a bunch and balling up like you're making a meatball. And then we're just going to form them into an oblong shape like a football. Like an oval. There we go. Just like so. Put it on some parchment paper. And this formed about 6 of them, but you can make more if you make them a little smaller or less if you make them bigger. Now just take this, put this in the freezer for about 20 minutes for them to firm up. We're gonna take about a cup's worth of chocolate chips and melt them down. Now I like to add a little bit of vegetable oil to this, and it helps it melt, and it also makes it a little more thinner and easier to coat our peanut butter. Only about a teaspoon or half a teaspoon is all you need. Okay, so when that is all melted, we can pull our peanut butter out from the freezer, and it should have hardened up. One by one, we are going to dip this in the chocolate and put it right back on the parchment paper. Go ahead and dip these in. Tap off the excess. And push off onto the wax paper. When they're all coated, just leave them out and let them firm up. Once they've firmed up, which won't be long by the way, I'm just gonna trim around the outside with the excess chocolate there, just with a butter knife, nothing special. Just makes it look better. Tastes fine even if you leave it on there, but just want it to look good. After I've trimmed them up, I melted down some more white chocolate, put it in a baggie, and we're gonna draw on the laces. Now it's time for the taste test. Creamy. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these peanut butter cup footballs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button and check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. Keep the proportions similar. I'm gonna start off with a, it only takes a few, and we're gonna mix this in, blend. Or you can put them in the refrigerator to make things quicker. Football season is full strength. Also, if